You guys, we're 1 point below world record. Why am I called JF now? One point below world record. World record is 1,805 and we made 1,804. Ah. Okay, let me try that girdle. Oh, okay. That is actually nice. We take it. Okay, I think that was solid enough to start off. Now we need to dodge the crab-looking ones. That we learned as well. There we go. Give me the big one. Give me the big one. Give me a second ball. I have to deliver you from evil. What? It's auto-moving now. I never asked for that. It's auto-moving now. What is this pickup? What? And now it's triple speed. This game is hideous. This game is fucking hideous. Okay, now I got the laser, which... It's too early to be already having to play such a game. But what I would really love is if there was the option in the near future to... Yeah, too early for my stream. Let's... Okay, not like the time of day. For my stream. If... If there was 2 players scoring, that would be so much fun. Full-on co-op category. Okay, now do your thing. Oh no, we don't want the glue. We don't want the glue. Please kill that scorpion thing. Come on, I don't want that scorpion thing. Oh yeah. Because the laser always did so much for me, huh? I know E. I know E. Okay, so this level now. Ah, no! Ahead of its time, this game has already had dark mode. This game was developed by hideous people. Dark mode ain't cutting it anymore. But it's handling the sprite really well. There, I see. I said something nice about the game. What does this dark mode even help us? I'm not really sure. This game is not good for my health. Alright, let me take this one though. Oh, we need that one. Oh, no! I couldn't decide. We're losing too much points here. Too many points are lost. And the endless vortex of Krypton egg. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh no. Our last ball, come on. Ball. Main skin Whiten is going on now. Ah! What? Oh Lord Father, please. Yeah, give me the darkness. It does so much. Okay, what is this? We have never had that. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. What? No! We had the biggest gun in the whole West. But we broke the former record. 1823. 1823. 1, 2, 3. Never to be played again. Now, the biggest hurdle, entering your name correctly. 18-2-3. We got it. Krypton.